I have arrived at Lower Green Swamp Preserve. There's a trail map, some info, some trail maps. Guess we'll grab one. Sign in trail, and then we'll go. So, quick note, there's an active cattle lease on this property, which means that when you get in to the gate, you gotta close it up behind you. Hiking, equestrian, let's rock and roll. Overcast morning, but no chance of rain until later this weekend, so should be safe there. I've not been here before. Looks beautiful already. My decision to leave my trekking poles in the car this morning was a good decision because they're not really needed out here at all. It's very smooth, very even. A nice little bench here at this trail junction, so there's an option to turn now. I will, however, continue to head southeast, hiking the Red Loop. This is now red. The trail marker turned from yellow to red, and I'll point that out on the map in just a little bit. And there's a moo cow. Two pieces of cattle, but they took off. I guess they're shy. It's kind of hard to explain how much I'm enjoying myself out here this morning. I can really just barely hear road noises. Really all I can hear other than that is the birds chirping everywhere, and oh, it's a glorious day. Would be tough on a sunny and on a hot day. Definitely not a hike to do in the summer. So after about an hour or so with my phone running GPS, I always hook it up to my backup to the backup battery so that I don't run out of juice in the middle of being out on a hike. Just being careful. I wish I had enough battery to run this GoPro continuously, because I just saw the 5th and 6th deer dart across the trail, and by the time I get the camera out, they're gone. I mean, they jump high and far and very quickly out of sight. This is why I like to take GPS as backup. My navigation skills are not all that great, something I can improve on. And so I came up out of this red trail here on the right, and I could have sworn I would have had to hang right, but that's incorrect. I have to hang left, and I know that because I'm looking at the All Trails app here, and I'm not sure how good that's actually coming across, but yeah, I would have gotten turned around at this point. So if you're not good with land navigation like I am, take your GPS. I'm gonna put a link to this trail down in the descriptions. So this is where the red trail goes back onto yellow via the gate that I crossed earlier. And on the map, that's right here where my thumb is. So I'm gonna take the northern part of that yellow trail, and I'm gonna try to get onto orange. Okay, it took me a second back there to find my way, but you have to go around this property to get to the orange trail, and I have some hikers behind me. I think they took my cue, but that wasn't easy. So again, good to have the paper map and the GPS of the area to connect the dots. Good morning. Perfect day, isn't it? Look at these pretty guys. You too. Alright, so unfortunately I did not make it very far up the orange trail here, so I came up here, went a little bit into here where that trail marker is, and then decided to come back because I'm close to 8 miles already and I didn't want to add the extra today. But the next time I'm going to plan to go up here, connect to Green. Green is apparently hiking only and goes all the way around here. You can connect to Blue or come back down here. I've seen quite a bit, so I'm gonna head back to the car. So for the most part, this is really easy terrain out here. Again, I can highly recommend it to even just the most casual of walkers, even if you don't want to call yourself a hiker. I mean, if you just take a look down on the ground, it's this hard grassy ground. It's really easy to walk on. You don't need any special shoes. You can just take your sneakers. Make sure you bring some water, a snack. There are benches to sit. And I will come back here maybe next weekend, maybe the weekend after. And then we're gonna head north to the hiking only trail. I don't know if that looks any different, but I know from the map that that one is not shared with horses. So I'm gonna check that out next time.